Want to touch it too, Sanaya?
Touch this part.
Go ahead, touch it.
I want to touch it. It's wet.
It's very wet.
I want to touch it. That's from the rain.
You felt the rain? Look, there's some drops.
There's drops?
You see the drops?
Yeah. Hey, those are tomatoes. These
are tomatoes?
Yeah. I was at birthday party. Wait, Mommy, you broke our car.
Yep.
Whoa.
All right.
This
This tree was very interesting. Look at it. Look, there are some flowers that grow in winter. These are winter flowers.
Yeah.
Cool, huh?
Wait, Staya, you can talk our raining spot.
Oh, the raining spots?
Yeah.
Those are droplets. That's the droplets.
What? Careful. Ow! Staya. I'll be cross, Staya.
You're gonna have to stand on the dirt.
Staya. Drops don't keep very wobbly.
Yeah, it's very wobbly. Watch.
What?
If you wobble it, all the drops are gonna come off. Whoa, wobble, 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 wobble.
It's very wobbly.
Yep.
Where?
There's no leaves, but when Sanaya comes back to visit us, there's gonna be leaves on the tree.
Yeah, it's
And we can come back. Yeah, the leaves gonna be growing.
Yeah.
All right, you guys ready to keep walking?
Wait, Mommy, go wait.
Oh yeah. Do you want to go down this one?
Yeah, that's like. I want to eat.
You want to eat? Okay, eat your apple if you want.
Excuse me, Cubby Drew.
Go ahead.
Okay.
You're welcome.